Hi YouTube, this is my bike check, Haro X3 08. I'm going to start out with my bars. They're kink. I think they're Midtown, I don't know what it is. Got a Haro stem. I got a Sun rim, H25, front rim. My front hub is a DK Nacho. This front rim goes forever. I mean, at the end of this video, I'll keep spinning, I guarantee it. Alright, I got Odyssey twisted BC pedals. I got a Haro sprocket, Haro cranks, Haro back rim, the Haro hub, and the tires are Haro too. Alright, that's my bike check. It's still spinning. But my big shit in the bed is because the bearings are shot in the back. The bearings are completely shot. And still spinning. Alright, see you guys. Subscribe.